Hey friend, today we are going to show you how to hang wooden letters with double-sided tape. First, gather your materials. You'll need your letters, double-sided tape, a level, a pencil, and a cloth. Next, find the place on your wall where you want the bottom of your letters to sit. Place your level against the wall at this spot and run your pencil along the top to create a guideline. Use your cloth to wipe off the letters and the wall to remove any dust. Attach pieces of double-sided tape to the back of the letter. Remember, small letters will just need a few pieces, while big letters will need several. Hold the bottom of the letter against your guideline to ensure that it's level and push firmly to attach the letter to the wall. Double-sided tape may cause damage to your walls upon removal. For a damage-free solution, try using command strips. We've included a link to our tutorial in the description. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more home decor DIY tips and visit our website, shapestack.com, to explore our custom collection of wooden letters and home decor.